Good morning, welcome back. It's Monday morning and I'm back. I missed last week. It was a little bit chaotic and I didn't actually have anything on my loom, any projects I was working on that I could show you. It was all computer work last week. We did so much computer work over the last few weeks to get ready for some classes. But I'm back at the loom again. I've got some things to show you. Set my tea aside. So I posted on social media about doing my first scarf in cotton, and people were wondering about how soft it was. Cotton's not my favorite for scarves, but I will say that this one did turn out really well. It is pretty soft. I think if you wanted to experiment with a first scarf, this cotton worked really, really well. And I think this is like if you have a university or college team or a student, this is actually a really great scarf for college colors. And because it's cotton, your college student can just throw this in the laundry and not have to worry about it. I think it feels nice. It feels nice around my neck. It's soft. It does not feel like a tea towel. So I used Juniper Moon cotton, the Pima cotton by Juniper Moon for this particular scarf. It worked well, didn't change anything from the pattern, just followed it exactly. The next thing I was working on was this Triscuits pattern. So if you look at the pattern, it really does look like the Cracker Triscuits, and I kind of love the look of it. I did it first in the Sero Silk and Malabrigo Silkpaca, which I love. It's got a really, really nice drape to it. The back side looks just as nice as the right side. It hangs around your neck beautifully. In case you're worried about that static from the Sero Silk, because it is quite staticky, as you can see. Once you get that fringe twisted, it's staticky, but not nearly so much so. So love this scarf, love how it feels. I wanted to try it with a different fiber, so I tried it with the alpaca silk from Maurice Brassard and love how it turns out in the solid color. I haven't twisted the fringe yet. It's a little more dense than this one, but that's actually one reason to really love it. And the solid color is lovely. It makes for a really subtle pattern, but it's still definitely visible. So it's I really like it. I don't know which one I like better. I just love them both. Now, as I was talking, I've uncovered what I'm currently working on. So this is going to be my November class, and it's got those beautiful little diamonds in it, if you can see it in the camera there. And I did it with Gusto yarn. It was a gradient sock skein that had been split into two so that you'd have both socks exactly the same. So I did both skeins, had the gradient meet in the middle and worked my way back out again. And then this has got to be like the biggest cone of yarn I've ever seen. This is alpaca. It's from Tisse feel. It's a whole kilogram of yarn, and that's what I'm using for my weft. So for our November class, we'll actually be learning how to warp this and how to weave that fantastic pattern. And just a heads up, you might want to get something that you can beat with your pressure weft into place, because your beater, your reed isn't necessarily going to be the best tool for every step of this project. So something like this, a hair pick is going to work really well too, or a wide tooth comb. So that's what's coming up. I'm going to be working away on this and doing videos for this week. I have my chenille class coming up this weekend and next weekend. There's still spaces for that, so you can still sign up for that. And I'm just going to be having some fun and playing at my loom. I'm going to be at my computer a lot, of course, but I'll be keeping you posted on how this is going. And I'd love to hear what you guys are working on. I'd love to hear what you'd like to learn, what kind of classes you'd like to have. So let me know. Finally, I know some people have troubles hearing me. I try to talk loud. I don't have an external microphone, nor do I even have a place to put an external microphone right now. But if you can't hear me, try a different device. I've heard that sometimes you can't hear on your phone, you can hear on the computer, or if you can't hear with one set of earbuds, you can hear with another. And there is a CC button on YouTube, so you can actually get subtitles as well if you're still having troubles hearing. So let me know how that goes. I'm doing my best to make as good a video as I can, so everything I can do to help is what I want to do. Have a lovely Monday, enjoy your time at your loom, and just have fun this week.